The Tidings continues the N.J. Dawood translation of Al-Quran. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. About what are they asking? About the fateful tidings, the theme of their disputes. But they shall know the truth. Before long they shall know it. Did we not spread the earth like a bed and raise the mountains like supporting poles? We created you in pairs and gave you rest. In sleep, we made the night a mantle and ordained the day for work. We built above you 7 mighty heavens and placed in them a shining lamp. We sent down abundant water from the clouds, bringing forth grain and varied plants and gardens thick with foliage. Fixed is the day of judgment. On that day the trumpet shall be sounded, and you shall come in multitudes. The gates of heaven shall swing open, and the mountains shall pass away and become like vapor. Hell will lie in ambush, a home for the transgressors. There they shall abide long ages. There they shall taste neither refreshment nor any drink, save scalding water and decaying filth, a fitting recompense. They disbelieved in our reckoning and roundly denied our revelations, but we counted all their doings and wrote them down. We shall say, taste this, you shall have nothing but mounting torment. As for the righteous, they shall surely triumph. There shall be gardens and vineyards, and high-bosomed maidens for companions, a truly overflowing cup. There they shall hear no idle talk, nor any falsehood. Such is the recompense of your Lord, a gift that will suffice them. The Lord of the heavens and the earth, and all that lies between them, the merciful, with whom no one can speak. On the day when the Spirit and the angels stand up in their ranks, they shall not speak except him who shall receive the sanction of the merciful and declare what is right. The day is sure to come. Let him who will seek a way back to his Lord. We have forewarned you of an intimate scourge, the day when man will look upon his works and the unbeliever cry, would that I were dust. Now, the light beings only act according to as they're commanded. They don't have free will like people, right? And the real news, yeah, sure, truth can come through with other news, but the real news is this progress of what's going to happen with humanity and our spiritual recompense and other such things.